Next!
Sir, where's the... Hi, sir.
Please take your seat. No, I mean, sit down. No, I mean, sit here.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. Hi, my name is Junjun and I'm gonna be interviewing you today. So please, can you tell me something about yourself?
Yes. Name, Annalyn Schwarzenegger. Age, doesn't matter. Sex, never. My hobby is I always read English.
Boom! Sorry. Come again.
Sure. Hi, sir. Name, Annalyn Schwarzenegger. Age, doesn't matter.
Why are you looking down? What's the matter?
Matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass.
What's your motto in life?
It's better to receive than to give.
It's better to receive than to give. What's your highest educational attainment?
Sir, I graduated BS Education, minor in English.
So you're applying at Nomnom as a service crew, but do you have any prior experience?
Experience, sir? No, sir, I'm a virgin.
And do you work well with others?
Yes, sir. In fact, I was best in peace when I was in school. Sir, excuse me, can I borrow your laptop?
After my interview. Best in peace? Do you mean best in kanta?
Yes, sir.
What do you know about the company, about Nomnom?
I know that you're hiring.
And how did you hear about this position?
Through my ears, sir.
Sir, excuse me, can I borrow your pen?
Divine, can't you see I'm busy? And why do you think you're fit for the position?
Because I always exercise.
Sir, can I borrow your phone?
Divine! Can't you see I'm in the middle of an interview? What are you doing?
Sir, I know what Divine is doing. That's what you call divine intervention.
What can you contribute to the team?
Ay hala, may contribution pala. Hindi ako na-inform.
I beg your pardon?
Why do you have to beg, sir? Are you a beggar?
No. Let's move on to the technical questions. We usually have foreign customers here at Nomnom. So do you speak any other languages aside from English?
Yes, sir. Actually, I am very fluent with foreign languages.
Can you demonstrate?
Of course, my pressure. I know Pashnea, Expecto Patronum, Hasta la vista, baby.
I don't really understand, but can you do like Japanese, like Spanish, or whatever niche?
Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, cuchara, tinidor, plato. No hablo español. Japanese. Sushi, sashimi. Hentai, yamete kudasai. Chinese, Mandarin. Bruce Lee, Jet Li, Jackie Chan. South Korean. Bulgogi, samgyeopsal, bibimbap, Gangnam Style. Thailand. I'm a lady boy. Indian.
How do you handle difficult customers?
I handle them with care.